Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. Now we are going to see about C programming. Introduction to C programming. Steps of problem solving. There are 6 steps to solve a problem. Model of problem solving. Basic organization of the computer system. It consists of input unit, central processing unit, control unit, arithmetic logic unit, memory unit, storage unit and output unit. Now we are going to see about coding. What is coding? Coding is an alphanumeric system used to translate the medical procedures and services into data. Example for coding. Basic structure of C program. It consists of documentation, link, definition, global declaration, main function and subprogram section. Algorithm. What is algorithm? Algorithm is a set of rules obtained the expected output from the given input. Example for algorithm. Now we are going to see about flowchart. What is flowchart? Flowchart is a diagram that depicts a process, system or a computer algorithm. They are widely used in multiple fields. Example for flowchart. Symbols that are used in flowchart. Now we are going to see about data types in C. There are 3 types of data types in C: primary, derived and user-defined. Constants in C. There are 2 types of constants in C: numeric constant and character constant. Data types of variables in C. There are 4 types of data types of variables in C: integer, float, character and double. Operators and its types in C. There are 8 types of operators in C: arithmetic, relational, logical, assignment, increment, conditional, bitwise and special. Arithmetic operators. There are 5 types of arithmetic operators in C. They are addition, subtraction, multiplication, division and modulus. Relational operators in C. Logical operators in C. There are 3 types of logical operators in C: and, or, and not. Assignment operators in C. There are 5 types of assignment operators in C: addition, subtraction, multiplication, division and modulus. Increment and decrement operators in C. There are 2 types of increment operator: pre-increment and post-increment. There are 2 types of decrement operator: pre-decrement and post-decrement. Conditional operators in C. Conditional operators are used to construct conditional expressions of the form. Bitwise operators in C. Bitwise operators are used to manipulate one or more bits from the integral operands like character in short and long. Types of bitwise operators in C. Special operators in C. In C programming language, the special operators are used to perform the specific operations that cannot be done by arithmetic and logic operators. Types of special characters in C. Decision making and looping statements. If condition. If statement. The if statement is used when we want to test a condition. The general syntax of if statement is: if-else conditional statement. It is used when the condition of if statement condition is going to wrong. Else will print the statement which is defined after the else statement in the program. If-else-if ladder statement. In this statement, there is one if condition, multiple else if conditions, and at last one else block. The general syntax of if-else if LADA statement is: example program, simple calculator app using if-else if conditional statements.
At first, include the header files as include stdio.h and include convo.h and void main function open parenthesis and declare the variables as num1, num2 using the data types as integer, and also declare the variable as op means operator, as in a character, because op is the character, so you have to declare in character data type. Printf enter the value of num1. Then scanf double quotes %d, because we have declared that num1 and num2 as integer. The data type was for integer was %d. So give it in a double quotes, comma ampersand num1 to store the value at num1. Then same as num1, give the printf statement and scanf statement to num2. Enter the value of num2. Then scanf statement. Here also we gave the variable num2 as integer data type, so you have to give it in %d as same as num1, ampersand num2 to store the value at num2. Then the printf statement to print the statement is to enter the operator. Enter the operator. Then scanf. To the scanf statement. Here we have to use %c as a data type, because we have given the operator op as in a character data type. So you have to use it as %c, comma operator, ampersand op, because we have declared the variable name as op to show the operator. The condition, if condition we within the bracket have to give the condition statement equal to, within a single quotes, we have to give the character. Single character we have to give in a single quotes. Then open parenthesis. For each condition, as if and else if, you have to open the parenthesis and to be closed at the end. Printf within the double quotes have to give the printf statement sum %d comma num1 plus num2, because we have declared num1 and num2 as the data type as integer, so we have to give %d. Then close the parenthesis, then give the next condition, else if within the bracket we have to give operator as a conditions. Operator is equal to within a single string, give the character, close the bracket, then open the parenthesis, give the printf statement within double quotation, difference %d comma num1 minus num2, and close the parenthesis. Then again open the same condition as else if, repeat the same process for 4 operations as addition, subtraction, multiplication and division. Greater equal to star. Multiplication symbol is denoted as star. Open parenthesis, give the printf statement as same as given as in subtraction and in addition. Here we have to give us product, same as %d, comma num1 star num2. Close the parenthesis, then give the else if statement. So given a condition as operator is equal to within a single string have to give the character, open parenthesis, give the printf statement, double quotes, the division. In product, it is known as quotient. Percentage d comma num1 divided by num2. And close the parenthesis. At last, give the else statement. Then parenthesis, give the printf statement as print valid operator. And give ch function and close the parenthesis. Now the program was done. Let's check the output. Enter the number. Let's give 4. Again, I have a mistake here. It's num1 and num2. Num1 here I will give 4, give 10 and 7. To enter the operator is invalid operator. Why this error is open? Because we didn't keep slash in here. This slash in represents go to the new line. Go to the new line to get the value. So slash in. Thus the program is completed. Let's check whether it is correct or not. Enter the value of num1, we give 10, and num2 as we will give 7. Enter the operator, we have to give either addition, subtraction or multiplication or division. But here the system itself it gives invalid operator. It may make mistakes in its code. Let's check it. Printf. Give the slash in here to begin in a new line. And also in a scanf statement a slash in %d, and here also a slash in, because we have to enter the value as in a new line. I forgot to do this. Let's check it. Enter the value of num1. Let's enter 10 and same as 7. Now we got that. Enter the operator. Let's enter addition. Sum is 17. Okay, let's run it again and enter the number as same as 10 and 7, and now we will give the end operator as division. Quotient is a 1 because 7 quotient is a 1. Then check run the program and check the values with difference. It is minus 3. 10 minus 7 is
Switch case. What is switch case? Switch case statement evaluates a given expression, and based on the evaluated value, it executes the statements associated with it. The general syntax of switch case is: looping statements. What is looping statements? Loops are used in programming to repeat a specific block of code until some end conditions is met. For loop. For loop executes the statements of program several times. The general syntax of for loop is: While loop. While loop is used to check the conditions at several times. The general syntax of while loop is: do while loop. Do while loop is a post-test loop. It executes its body at least once whether the given condition is true or false. The general syntax of do while loop is: and thanks for watching.